What's the meaning of carouse? Carouse. Carouse.
Carouse. Carouse. Carouse means to engage in a noisy, lively drinking party or celebration. The result of carousing often involves excessive drinking and partying with friends or companions. Participants may become loud and boisterous, and may lose their inhibitions, leading to reckless behavior and poor decision-making. While carousing can be a fun and enjoyable way to celebrate with others, it can also lead to negative consequences such as alcohol poisoning, regrettable actions, and even legal trouble if participants engage in illegal activities while under the influence.